So over here in Happy Scribe, you can see that I am in the subtitle project right here. So with the subtitle project or transcription project, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and translate out the generated subtitles as well using AI. So to go ahead and do that, you can go around over here onto the translate section over here onto the top, and you can go ahead and choose machine generated or hire humans to translate it. So let's just go ahead and go for machine generated and then select out the language. So there's different languages as you can see right here. So let's just go ahead and search for Burmese, let's say for example, and then you can go ahead and add in, let's say, other language as well. So let's just go ahead and select out translate right here. And as you do that, you can see it'll take 4 minutes to go ahead and translate this out. So now let's just go ahead and click on order. And what happens is that it'll go ahead and translate out my projects now. So you can see that it is loading, and now you need to go ahead and wait. And now you get redirected back to the home page. And you can see two of these translated projects right here, the Burmese and the other language that we selected right here. So if I were to go ahead and then open this out now, you can see the translated content right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see the translation text right here, and you can go ahead and edit it out as you want as well. Let me just go back over here onto home. And since we generated out multiple languages, over here you can see that there's another language as well. So if I were to go ahead and click here now, you can see the other language translation just like this as well. And that is basically how you can go ahead and translate out generated subtitles inside of HappyScribe. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.